Channel D.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. All right, run it back. Run it back. Nigga, don't do that. Forgot to clean my rear view. I forgot to clean the back window. I don't see shit back there. That's it. Hit it, Johnny! Go for it! If he hits something, that's not good. What's that sound? Don't hit anything, John. Hit the gas. There you go. There you go. Yeah! Yeah! Attaboy! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah! Don't forget, guys, when it snows, you have to brake very, very early. Some niggas don't understand that.
A few moments later.
We got an issue. I drove on top of a curb. The bullet is stuck now, and I don't know how exactly I'm gonna get it out. So we're gonna try. I think something will break. Something most definitely finna break. So let's give it a go, yeah? I have a bad feeling.
I know. If you want, we can just push it. I'll put here. I'll push it. I might not be able to record.
All right, bullet got free, guys. We got free. One thing I didn't like, that the guy was like a massive dickhead about it. Like, if you're gonna be a dick about it, then like don't help at all. Like, for real, I appreciate the help, but like he was being a dick about it. Like John was telling me, he was like, my nigga, I can kind of see why you mistaken it as like a normal road, because that's what I saw. I thought it was a hill because he plowed through this, and I thought he just created a hill because he plowed it, and then it was like an entry here, and that's it. But nope, it was a curb. It was a fucking curb. So yep, where we should be good now. All right. Nigga, turn off traction control. There you go. Keep the gas, keep the gas. You need to keep the gas going. Keep going, gas, gas. There you go. You need to keep the gas. Let me show.
Oh, you know what?
What?
It keeps automatically turning itself
All right, look out.
Alright, let me, yeah.
Look out. I already hit one, but fuck it. Huh? It gains traction after a while. Not hit the Mini Cooper, that would be nice. Nice. Y'all hear that shit? Do it again?
You hear that, right?
What? There you go. Don't hit a car. That would be splendid. Don't hit the car. Oh my god. Woohoo! That's it.
I can't turn.
There you go. Fuck yeah, John. Yeah, that's kind of gay.
It's not letting me.
Don't know what to tell you. Ooh, over there seems nice. But there's poles.
I don't think this car is definitely not for drifting.
I think that's more of a setting issue, to be honest.
Oh no, bro. You know, like literally, and I couldn't even hit the brake. So I couldn't hit the car. No!